just firework extravaganza. I don't know, baby.
It's much better in person.
I dropped that lighter. You got it. Thank you. Oh my God. Yeah, that's wasting. Can you? They did that.
They went out.
You got people all down there. That's where I wanted to be at, but I forgot you gotta bring your own chair. But you could have been like right underneath it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, so you got 4. I'm 2 minutes out. I'm only at 2 minutes. Good job. 4 minutes. Just press it again. That's all.
I didn't make it.
Because see, our lights is attracting the bugs.
Hold on, I'm not breathing in.
Yeah, don't breathe in. Oh man, I got it. I got it, baby. I got it.
That came out of nowhere.
Yes, it is.
Straight up. I spotted it. I want to see another smiley face. I just noticed some country music in the back.
Yeah. We are in Georgia. That was nice.
That one went low. Oh, I spotted another one. There's two of them. Whoa!
Oh, that was nice.
That was like Walmart. Oh! That won't drop. There one is. Another one and another. There's so many. Whoa!
Oh, that's nice.
I have small ones too. Lucky you get this film.
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
I have the beginning and you have the end.
Yeah.
6 minutes. That's 11 minutes with the firework.
Yeah.
12 now.
Yep.
Felt like it's only been like a second, like a couple minutes, like only one. Where do people go up at that balcony?
I don't know.
Woo! Ross. They're non-reading.
I didn't want one. Oh, thank you, baby.
Oh, I got my pin. Yeah. What'd you get? All right. I got most. I got the beginning of it, but then 5 minutes is what is the limit. Why don't you keep recording? Because the 5 minutes is the limit. You could have did another video. Just let me show you. Whoa! It was Pepsi!
Yeah, it was a Pepsi firework. It sure was.